see the program about local universities on TV last night? We were featured.
No, I missed that. What did they say about it?
Well, they showed the university center, library, and research facilities. And several of my students were interviewed. They did quite well.
So it helped our university's image.
Maybe. But the other schools also looked pretty good. I wonder how attractive we looked in comparison.
Let's hope enough high school students liked what they saw. Question. What can be said about the TV program?